In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to Google Forms. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now, without further ado, go ahead, open up your Google Chrome browser, then type in the search tab Google Forms. After that, just go ahead, click on this first link, which is the Google Forms website. Then click on your form, or if you want to create a blank form, just click on this. And here you have it. This is the form we will be inserting a video into. Now, to add a video to Google Forms, it's actually an easy process. Just click on this icon, add a video, then you can select a video from YouTube. For example, I'm going to type in how to, and I am going to select a video. For example, let's say this video, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Then click Insert. So there you have it. The video has been uploaded. You can give it a title. This is how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So you can add a title, customize the title if you want. And you can also add a video by its URL. Just copy the YouTube URL of the video, then paste it here, and it will be available to you. So this was an easy video. As always, thank you for watching.